Morning guys, so we're heading to the train station with my friend Auri. So say good morning.
Morning.
So he's very nice to pick me up at my hotel and bring me all the way to the train station. You know, I will be lost if like I don't know how to get to the train station actually, so I'm so happy. I'm so lucky. So thank you and see you guys soon in Van Dien. Alright guys, so we're now at the train station but the other way around, so we don't know how to get there, but I guess I'm gonna go this way. So ciao. Alright guys, so the GPS give us the wrong direction to the train station, but it's worth it, you know. Look at my background, it's sunrise. So I came all the way on this side instead of this side. So yeah, since this is very new, so maybe Google or Siri still didn't know the right direction to go to the train station, but we're here, so yeah, show you. Alright guys, so it's still so early but the line is already so long, even buying for ticket, you know. Alright guys, so it's like 7 in the morning and I'm catching a train at 8, but the line for the ticket is so long. So this is why the train station required you to come to the station before like 1 hour before your train, because the line is very long. It's so long, so better be early. Alright guys, so I am now inside the ticketing office, but it took me like an hour on the line and until now I still couldn't get the ticket, and my train is supposed to be at 8 and it's already 7:35. So one good advice is come early, even 2 hours in advance at this very time, because you know this is newly trained and everyone wanted to experience it for the first time, and yeah, it's very long line. I've been here for an hour and wow, and then I'm gonna go another line outside for boarding, and I don't know how long will it take me, so best of luck. I don't know what's happening guys, so it's like a commotion here, and 1 hour passed, I still can't get a ticket, and I don't know what's happening also, so I hope I'm not late on my train to Bangkok at 8, and the time is almost.
หันหลังเด้อหันหลังไอ้หันหลัง
bukas lah.
ปิดหลัง
Okay. Thank you. It's always like this, guys. So I keep running. Luang Prabang.
Không biết nó đi ship.
Đi ship ở đây đâu? Ship ở đây không? Đi mà thì cao sao?
Đi mà đi cao này.
Mà bukas sa Lao, Philippines. Luang Prabang.
Đó bà.
Today is 19. This.
What? But they give me this. So that's for 8.
Tomorrow. It's tomorrow ticket. Yeah.
No, I told them today.
Can you see?
เรียกว่าแบ่งล้อดีๆในล้อมันล้อไหลแล้วแบ่งมันเป็นรองก็ห่าวแล้วมาเจ็บดิ
So I guess I have a problem again with my ticket. Anyone can speak English because I get the ticket for today.
Yes, yes.
Đi không nào, cái con đi ship. Rồi.
Đi đâu đi anh hả?
Con đi ship vào đấy mọi người.
But I get the ticket for today. They asked me today and I said yes today.
Because the ticket only tomorrow can enter.
Yeah, but I get the ticket for today. I told them and they give me, I said now 8.
We checking by this one. We cannot allow you go inside because the ticket not. You can go back to the ticket room because we cannot allow you.
What should I do with this? Because I cannot stay today. Alright guys, so I have a problem again with my ticket, the same when I left Luang Prabang. I asked for the ticket today and they said there's no ticket. They give me for tomorrow. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do anymore. Hello guys, so I am still here in Vientiane train station. This is the newest railway project that cost $16 billion. So things to remember when you arrive here. So if you're leaving, for example today, you have to get your ticket 1 day in advance. As for my experience, I come here at 6 and I was in a very long line and I got my ticket around 8 and there was a problem because they give me the wrong ticket, so I have to wait till next day to catch a train again. So it's also crazy, you know, like this is the lobby, like where you supposed to be waiting for your train once you get your ticket, you know, and then they close it. It's closed, and most of the people who are traveling to Luang Prabang and Bhutan, they are waiting outside in this massive sun. I don't understand why. And they also closed the ticketing area. Maybe this is new, so I guess they only open for the ticketing area, like ticketing booth, up to 10 in the morning. After that they close, and I don't know what time they're gonna open again. So there are some people also waiting for the booth to open so they could get a ticket. And I don't know what's the purpose of the lobby inside, why people cannot wait. They're not allowed. And alright, so always remember also to have with you your green card vaccination, because once you don't have it, you are not allowed to enter. And upon purchasing a ticket, you are also required to show your green vaccination card. And yeah, it's pretty new. Understandable that there are things to improve, but sometimes, you know, like I don't know, maybe this is the way how it works here in this country, or maybe this is not really like fully operational. They're just trying to make experiment on what's going to happen with this train station, with this project. But it's frustrating sometimes, especially for people like travelers who don't speak English. They don't have any English speaking staff, and also upon making lines, like it's messy, you know. So they should be like, if you are going to Luang Prabang, this is all the way for Luang Prabang, this is for Vientiane, but here it's all mixed up. So Bhutan, Luang Prabang, so it's kind of messy. So, and I don't know, I don't understand sometimes, but yeah, I'm still here waiting for my friend. My friend gonna pick me up. I was here since 6 in the morning, but nothing is happening. I was planning to sleep here, but it's not allowed. I asked and I tried to call a friend to translate for me, and they don't allow it. But anyway, it's a good experience though, you know. So no complaints. This is just observation as a traveler, and for you guys, so you will be aware what to do and things that you have to prepare when you get here. So you will see also this part. Yeah, this part is the where you bought the ticket, and so many people are waiting in line for it to open, but I don't know what time they're gonna open. So maybe let's go and check it. So they have their time. So many people still waiting, and there are so many people here under the sun waiting for this to open. But that's the lobby. I don't know, they're not allowed to wait there. And you know, this is like 17 kilometers away from the main center of the capital. So taxi costs like $10 US, more expensive than my house though. So be wise guys. So here is the ticketing office. I'm gonna show you. So this is where the people still waiting, and I cannot read, but maybe you could translate. So I guess the ticket office is open at 7 and closes at 10, and resume at 2 to 4:30. And then what is this, like at night? So translated, if you know. And this one, let's see, fare, ticket price, the stuff here. This is the timetable of the train. I'm still at the train station here in Vientiane, figuring out what to do, because tomorrow will be my trip. My train will be tomorrow, you know, like I don't feel coming back to the center because this is quite far from the main center. I don't want to wake up early as I wake up today. Imagine I come here at 6 and then I managed to get my ticket at 8 and they give me the wrong ticket, so I have to have it refund and argue a little bit, but not much, but you know, just chill, sasa. So yeah, so look at me, this is my life now. So maybe I should stay here for overnight. Let's see what's going to happen. Life. But it's nice to chill for a bit. Like $1 million project, $1 billion project, but everything is so slow. Like, I'm not complaining, but since this is the first ever train station here in Luang Prabang, I mean in Laos, so probably they need to learn more on this. So we'll see. So here you go. Alright guys, so we are now here in Vientiane station. This is the newest railway station here in Laos. So I'm going to Vang Vieng, but I got a little problem, you know, the same scenario when I was in Luang Prabang all the way to Vang Vieng at the same time. It happens today. So when I asked the ticket, I said I want today. I was on the line from 6 in the morning until 8, but then they give me the wrong ticket, and so since it was wrong, when I went inside to board, they didn't let me in because it was for tomorrow at the same time, 8 in the morning. And I explained very well that I needed today 8 in the morning, and they said yes. And then because the ticket I cannot also read, this is in Lao and Chinese, so now I have to wait for another day and stay another day, another night in Vientiane. So this is our life. So they give me another ticket for tomorrow. They refund it without any additional charges also. So that's okay. So yeah, that's how my experience right now here in the newest train station. That's life. They're very new, so there's a lot of things they would learn from the operation and all this kind of things, you know, how to handle this kind of customer service issues. So welcome again to Vientiane. I will tell you more when I get to Vang Vieng tomorrow. Ciao.